This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on a Samsung phone. First, make sure your PS4 controller has enough power, ideally fully charged, to avoid interruptions during the setup. Next, grab your Samsung phone and open the Settings menu, then tap on the Connections option, and finally select Bluetooth. This will prepare your phone to search for new devices. To initiate pairing, hold down both the PlayStation button, located in the center of your controller, and the Share button, found on the left side of the touchpad, for about 3 seconds. You'll notice the light bar on the controller start flashing quickly, signaling it's ready to connect. On your Samsung phone, look for Wireless Controller in the Bluetooth device list and tap it. Your phone might ask for confirmation, just accept it. Once paired, it's time to test it out. Launch a game or an app on your Samsung phone that supports external controllers. Check if all the buttons, triggers, and joysticks are working as expected. If you encounter any connection hiccups, a quick fix is to toggle your phone's Bluetooth off and then back on. For more persistent issues, try restarting both your phone and the PS4 controller. This often resolves minor glitches. Using a PS4 controller significantly enhances your mobile gaming. You'll experience much greater precision and immersion, giving you a real advantage in many games. The ergonomic design of the controller is far more comfortable for long gaming sessions than relying solely on touchscreen controls. When you're done playing, simply go back to your phone's Bluetooth settings and disconnect the wireless controller with a single tap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.